Welcome to my channel. In today's class, let's learn how to draw a two-dimensional house. So we'll begin with step number 1, drawing a rectangle. We'll choose the breadth as 3 centimeter and the length to be 8 centimeter. So first rectangle will be the frame of your house and use a ruler to draw a rectangle. Next step will begin by sketching a triangle on the top of rectangle. So first extend 1 centimeter line on the either side of the top length. Next, mark a point which is 4 centimeter above and it should be in the midline. For example, it's 8 centimeter and I have chosen point 4 here. So draw a triangle, connect these 2 points, connect these 2 points. So once the base and the roof is formed, we'll next move to adding a chimney. So add a chimney here. It's simple. Draw a tall narrow line and another small line, and this should be in same plane. So after you're done with it, we'll draw the planes of the roof. It's nothing but adding parallel lines. Do the same with the chimney. And once you are done with it, we'll add a couple of windows on the front of the house. And next step we'll be doing is we'll sketch a vertical rectangle to make a door, and before that we'll just add few more details to the window. We are dividing it into smaller boxes. The big square is divided into smaller boxes. Now put a vertical rectangle, and we'll add a circle. So with this we'll just color it and we'll see how the house looks like. Color the roof with red, or whichever color you choose, brown. Generally the roof will be red. Fill in the inside, later work on the edges. Color chimney with the same thing. Next we'll color the windows. And the door. There's no right way or wrong way in coloring the house, so you can get creative. Choose whichever color you like. If you want a realistic looking house, stick with basic colors. the way I have done it here. Finally, we'll color the wall. If you want your house to be fun and colorful, experiment with colors like red, blue, green, yellow. And finally, we'll finish off the sketch by adding some grass. And that's how you sketch a two-dimensional house.